Hey guys, it's Glenn here from jazzpianolessons.online, and today I'm starting off a series of 1-minute jazz tips that I'll be releasing every Tuesday as well as our usual content. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Alright, today's tip is to practice with, if you don't already, play-alongs. Here I am just playing along to a YouTube clip which I found online, fantastic little clip. I'll put the link below. And there's a number of benefits to practicing with a track and not just on your own. Right. Number one, it helps develop your sense of time and feel. It's like playing with a metronome, only more fun. Right. Number two, nothing beats playing with live musicians. But this is a second best. If you don't have access to a bass player, this is the way to go. You don't have to, you don't play the root notes because, the bass player's already got that covered. All right. Also, you don't feel like you need to play as much. This is point number three. You're not the only instrument producing sound, and so you don't have to fill up all the spaces, right? So this is a great way for beginners to really test out a few things as well without needing to have everything sorted, All right, number four, you can't stop too, which is sometimes a great way to practice. You just got to keep going and have some fun. All right, if you play with play-alongs, let me know what your favourite reasons to practice with them are in the comments below, and I'll see you next week for another 1-minute tip. Chat soon.